Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I didn't expect to do this video quite so soon, but popped out today and I was a little bit on the kind of naughty side really, because I didn't just buy yarn from one place. I bought yarn from 3 separate places, and some the other day that I didn't tell you about. So yeah, I have sinned, and I'm defiant in my sinning, but I'll show you what I got from Wilko. Now Wilko in the UK is one of those everything kind of shops where they sell lots and lots and lots of different stuff. Pretty decent bargains, and they sell yarn, but they also sell some pretty nice bits for the house. You know, there's lots of these shops. They're all so similar. It's quite sad really, because years ago we had a shop like this called Woolworths, and it was everywhere in every town, and it was one of the favourite shops that everybody in. I sold pick a mix, sold everything, you know, even had a record department, and everybody loved Woolies, but they went under because they didn't keep up with the times by doing mail order online and stuff like that. So now there's hundreds of shops that have opened up just like Woolworths, but they survive. It's quite sad because, you know, I'd love to see Woolies back really. So I've got my super duper X-ray specs because I've got a feeling they're well too strong for me, those ones. And I've got this bag, which is really a Christmas bag, but I've got this to put it into once I've shown you. Won't all fit in there, but by the time I've filled that bag I will have emptied another. So as you know, having a new grandbaby, and it's a girl, so when I went into Wilko I thought, you know, I'm just gonna have a look and see if they've got any yarn, and they had some baby yarn. It actually doesn't say baby on it, but it is ultra soft and really a lovely colour pink. Wow, I was so taken with this. Now it's their Amelia range, and it's DK, so that's a 3 weight, 100 grams, and that's 330 meters. It's 100% acrylic, but it feels as good as any premium acrylic I've felt. Really, really lovely. Now it does have all the washing instructions on here anyway. But what I thought was quite funny, because they did change the name of all their yarns to this Amelia, but it's called Canaan, and doesn't it look like Caron when you first glance at it? You could pick that up thinking that was Caron. You would, wouldn't you? That it just seems to me at first glance they've kind of ripped off Caron, whatever you want to call it. I heard different things, Caron. But this is absolutely lovely, and the colour is baby pink, obviously, BP001, and it's beautiful. I really liked it. So I didn't just get one. Oh no. Oh no. I got quite a few in different colours. So they're all the same kind of, you know, makeup in a way. They'll all be the same acrylic, same yardage. Well, they don't show yards anymore, they only show meters, but I got that's 2 of the pink. They're all mixed up in these bags, so 3. I thought, you know, if I got enough, sorry about the rustling, I would make something consequential, you know, of substance. So that's 4. Sorry, that was a big rustle. I'll come across some more pink in a minute, but they kind of got at the checkout, got all put in different places. So then the blue is equally as lovely colour, really nice. If you look in there you can see it's quite deep. So yeah, having grandsons as well, I figured, you know, I'll use this definitely, and it's called Baby Blue. How about that? And that's BB002. And again, looks like Karen, doesn't it? I can't believe that. But it's the Amelia DK, so 3 weight. All of the dimensions, 330 meters, exactly the same. So I've got 1, 2, and the bag's getting full up already. 3, 4, 5, 6, and I found another pink and another pink. So I think I got 6 pink and 6 blue. So that's filled that bag up with just pink and blue. So that will give me enough to make something nice with, I think, that amount of pink and that amount of blue. So put that over there without knocking the place down. So then I got to looking at what else they had, and they had this lovely cream colour. It's kind of, what do they call this? Cream. How did I guess that? Yeah, there's a cream colour in there. Yeah, I called it cream. Exactly the same, 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 330 meters, Amelia DK. This colourway is CM563, but it's a really lovely kind of almost buttery kind of cream. I really like that. So I didn't buy as much. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 4 of those. But oh no, I didn't. I've got another one on the table, which is 5. So I got 5 of those. Didn't get 6. I got 5. Oh no, I've had another one. I got 6. Oops. Maybe I did get more than I thought. So then, whoops, I got white, pure white. So this one's just called white, obviously, because they are not imaginative with that. And it's WH101. And I hope I didn't break that when that fell on the floor. Oh no, it wasn't in there. Sorry about the rustling, but if I clear that bag, then I can pop it in there. So that's the cream. There's already some in that one. So how many whites did I get? I've got 1, 2, 3. I didn't get as much white because I've got a fair bit of white, and I figured that you know, I had lots of other colours, and white, you know, I've got quite a lot of quantity of other whites. So then that's not all I bought. Oops, I didn't only buy that. So yeah, there's the 1, 2, 3 white, and it is really bright, really pure white. It's coming up a little creamy on the camera, but it really is ultra white. So you may have seen this one before. I did have this a long time ago, and I made Charlotte a kind of a neck warmer, but that was kind of tight. So if it was winter time and you wanted to wear a mask, you could wear it as a face covering. Put that up. Hang on, put that. Well, tell me in a minute, babe. So where was I? Gary's brought me some yarn in. I think it was meant to be put away, so I think he wants to give it to me now. So it's kind of quick, kind of sweet of him. But anyway, back to this. Bless him. I made Charlotte a face warmer with this, like a face covering, that when she went in and out of the chiller at work, she could pull it up, and it was tight. I have got that as a tutorial on my channel. I made it with ice yarn. I made it originally for Gemma, and then Charlotte wanted one as well, so she chose this yarn, which I absolutely love. It's part of their Ombre range, although it doesn't say that. Oh yes, it does. It does say Ombre on there, but again, they've ripped off the Karen thing, but it's now part of their, it says Amelia on it, and it's 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide, 100 grams, 200 meters. And I did get a few of these because I do have, I think I had some of it in the old balls. That sounds good. The old skeins. Now I know why people call them skeins, not balls. But I had some of the older ones which weren't called Amelia. I can't remember the name they had, but I've got some of that in my shelving. So yeah, what I'm going to do with all this yarn until the craft room's done. I'm going to call it craft room, although it's going to be taken over by me. I'm going to be taking it over because there's just so much yarn, and poor old Gary's going to get like an inch an inch of space. So there's 2, this wants to keep falling off, 3, 4, 6. So I've got 6 of those, and I probably still have, I might even have some of that in the new packaging. I can't remember if it was that one or the one with the bright red on it. But I also bought this. I couldn't resist this. And you know, I have my kitty cat cup that says "Don't stress me out" on it. I had this one because that one gets very black inside, and I bleach it from time to time, but the glaze isn't very good. So when I saw this one, I need a cat nap, I thought with it being pink inside and a little bit better glaze, it might not get so icky inside. So now I've got "Don't stress me out" and I need a cat nap, but I thought I'd get that because it's definitely me, So that is all she wrote. That, well, I say all, you know, wasn't exactly small, was it? But that's what I got this time. They did have other stuff, but it's stuff that I already have, so I didn't get any adult yarn. Well, I did, I got the ombre, but other than that I just concentrated really on the baby stuff. But later on I'm going to do part 3 of my yarn review, and I'll review some of the yarn from Wilko. I'll also do the other shops, because I said it was going to be a series and I've already done 2, so I will do the 3rd one as one of the other shops. Well, I only really went out to get some brackets, and well, Gary said, "Would you like to have a look at the yarn in Wilko?" And I went, "Yeah, why not? Sounds like a plan." And I didn't even need my specs. That was good, wasn't it? So thank you for watching it. I will be back because there is more. I won't do it all en masse because it's all different shops, and I want to kind of keep it in its little shops, you know what I mean. So yeah, forgive me for being a sinner. I can't help it. It's just, I need to find a space for it now. That's going to be the tough thing. Don't know how long it's going to take for the yarn room to be done, but seriously, it can't come quick enough because my floor space is getting less and less and less. I did used to put it all in tubs, but I don't have enough of them now. Don't have enough tubs anymore. Good job I'm using quite a bit of it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.